The most straightforward operation with mixed numbers is multiplying and dividing because it's going to work just like regular fractions. Because the way we're going to multiply and divide mixed numbers is we're going to convert them to improper fractions. And back again. So, for example, if we had 2 4/5 and we wanted to multiply by 3 4/7, we're not going to do it with mixed numbers. We're going to change them to improper fractions by multiplying 2 times 5 to get 10 and adding 4 to get 14/5. And that's going to multiply by going around 7 times 3 is 21, and 21 plus 4 is 25/7. And then we're going to multiply these like we always have. What's nice about multiplying with fractions is we can reduce first. 14 and 7 are both divisible by 7, leaving behind a 2 and a 1. 25 and 5 are both divisible by 5, leaving behind a 1 and a 5. And so we have 2 times 5 is 10, and 1 times 1 is 1. And 10 over 1 reduces to just 10. So 2 4/5 times 3 4/7 is 10. Let's try one more example, this time with dividing mixed numbers. Let's divide 5 1/3 divided by 2 1/6. Again, with multiplication and division, we need to change them to improper fractions. So we'll go around. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16/3. Divided by, going around, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13/6. And now we're ready to divide with fractions. We know to divide, we multiply by the reciprocal, which is 6 over 13. Reducing, 6 and 3 are both divisible by 3, leaving behind 2 and 1. And 16 times 2 is 32 over 13 times 1 is 13. Now, normally we've left that answer as 32/13, but because this problem started with a mixed number, we want to also end with a mixed number so that the answer matches the style of the problem. So to convert back to a mixed number, we'll take 13 into 32. We know it goes in there twice. That's going to give us 26. And when we subtract, we're left with 6. So 2 remainder 6. That is the fraction 2 6/13. So when we divide 5 1/3 by 2 1/6, we get 2 6/13. So to multiply and divide with mixed numbers, the trick is we're not going to. We're going to convert them to improper fractions, do the math, and then convert back if we have to at the end.